guys, welcome back to another episode of the MCC Body Shop channel. Like I always said, thank you for watching. Subscribe, like, comment, and share this video. And today we are gonna work again on this beauty, the Corolla. Probably most of you already see it, the video we got on this one when we did the mirrors calves, the roof, and some work that we have done on this one. If you haven't seen it, I'm gonna put it on the suggestion video so you can go and see it, and also watch other videos on the channel. So today we're gonna work on front bumper. We're gonna do some custom work on the front bumper. Everything that is kind of like silver, that white lip on the bottom, the fog light vessel, and the actual front lip, all these pieces are gonna go gloss black like the splitter. But I'm gonna give it like a nice touch up on this little center on the lip. We're gonna do that red to match the mirror caps. And also we're gonna fix the quarter panels. When they do the rolling, you can see it got like a crease, got some indentions on it. So the customer want to make it not flush. It's gonna still have the bend, but we're gonna kind of like skim it over here and make it look better than all the indentation. Just make it look kind of like flat. So we're gonna do this quarter panel, obviously the other one. This other quarter panel you will see here too. Got the same thing. So we're gonna go ahead and fix that. So it's the two quarter panels and the front bumper. But also, beside the paint work on the front bumper, we're gonna do something custom on the sides. So we're gonna put some vents to make this bumper unique. Has some vents over here, and we also have some canards. I don't know about the canards really. I'm gonna see how they look afterwards, but we're just gonna give it a try. So that's what we got going on with this one. So stay tuned, keep watching, and see the end result of this 2019 Corolla hatchback. Thank you for watching. See ya. Okay guys, so we got this carbon fiber pieces. That's what we're gonna put over here on the corner of the bumper. This is out of Subaru WRX, if I'm not mistaken. Already did some measurement, put some orange tape on it. So now just doing the last ones. Looks pretty decent over there. So I'm just gonna cut now the outside of the tape and just put this thing on and see how it looks. That's all we got going on. So let's do it. That's kind of how it's gonna look. Got a nice vent on it. So we got one side done already, cut off. Got to do the other side now. It's looking good. Something different. So Okay, so we got it bundled already. Should be good with that. One little skim coat. I have to put two coats on this side because when I put the first one, it kind of like dry on me. So I had to sand it and put another coat, but this should be good. So we're gonna hit it now with 80 grit on the DA to take all the little sand marks out, and then we're gonna block it with 100 and then 180 grit, and that should be good for primer. So that's what we got going on. So let's do it. Everything is finished. I'm in my house. I brought this one to the house just to get ahead of time because we're short in time to get this one done. So tomorrow morning I'm gonna hit it with primer at the shop and then start prepping. So if by Friday we can paint this or everything we have to paint and deliver it by Friday afternoon, hopefully. Let's see how this one goes. We already did the cutouts on the bumper for the carbon fiber vents. Another one done. So now pretty much it's just prep and paint. Let's go. Okay guys, so we're done with the Corolla. We got our vents, our canards, front lip, and then bumper got grill trim pieces. So that's done, looking good. We got the quarter panels painted and done. Now it's straight. We actually blend the door and the bumper to match the color. Go. And that's it. It's done. You can follow the guy up, Slow Roller Ivan, and you can follow me on Maldonado's Car Care. We are both on Instagram. Thank you for watching. This one is already to go home. Like I always said, subscribe, hit that like button, comment, share it. See you in the next one. God bless you.